you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Francine, and on this channel, we talk about personal finances, whether that is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future. This video is going to be a bit faster than normal because we are on break, okay? I'm using majority stickers from my shop. This washi strip is up on the shop. You can purchase it right now if you want. It comes with a bundle, I believe, but I will have this on the shop by itself if you just want the washi strip. So yeah, I know, church announcement way too soon in the video, but it's cool. Let's get into this budget. This is the last budget, the last paycheck of January. So like always, when I don't have the correct number, I just take it out. Take out the and just say paycheck. Right? I use what I got. And even if I'm the sole proprietor and creating these items, I just sometimes just don't want to get and print out these stickers for myself. So I just use what I got on hand. And sometimes it's a paycheck 4, sometimes it's a paycheck 3. But everything will be used. Okay. Full time. And what was the date? The date was the 29th. I wasn't expecting it being the 29th. I was expecting it to be the 31st. And the amount was as usual. And the income was as usual. My $14.92. Up. And that is the only income we will be budgeting with. $14.92. We have bill due. So these are my bills that are coming out this paycheck that needs to be accounted for, which are car insurance, which is $200, phone bill, which is $40. Ooh, excuse me. Apple Music, which is $5. Home savings. I know you're like, this is a savings. Why is it on the bills? Because we're going to treat this as a bill. It needs to be paid. And this is going to be $100. Discover, which is my consumer debt, is getting $50. An emergency fund is getting $40. So we're going to take the total tab here. altogether it is 353, 435. Left over tab is 1057. Now we are going to go to the meat and potatoes. Our day-to-day expenses that we will be using for this pay period cycle. Me is going to be 200 because I have to do my nails for his birthday and Valentine's Day, so I need to get ready. Food is $70, so this is groceries. Eat out is going to be $20. I already spent this money. Uber Eats, like I said, I got a problem. Gas is going to be $50, but we are in currently a snowstorm, so I'm not really moving my car. But the last time I was in my car, which was yesterday, I was at half a tank, so 50 is well enough. To fill up my tank, it's like 40. It's like 40. Okay, allowance is going to be $145. Okay, so the leftover is $572. Now, we're going to go to our sinking funds. I don't know where the audio went, but we're just going to do a voiceover. So we're laying down our stickers and we are going to put Saveopoly. We are adding $147. If past me can write $147. All right, $147 is going towards Saveopoly. The 1.7K challenge, we are only adding $18 because we need money for other places. Like Couple Goals. Couples Goals is getting $200. As you know, his birthday is coming up and we need to rack up that money. Self-care is getting $34. Shutdown, as you know, shutdown is for the summer months where teachers traditionally do not get paid. I'm adding $40. Now we're on to house savings, which is furniture savings. So I need to buy some new furniture ASAP, and that is getting $42. Then we have SG Row. We are giving $10. Hopefully one day we'll give more. Freeport Creation, which is my business. If you don't know, now you know. She is getting $50 because there's some plans in the works for her. She working. And thank you for everybody that has been shopping at Freeport Creation. And if you haven't checked it out, check it out. We popping on that side. So I am just going to add my total sticker at the bottom. Everything should honestly come up to about $541. This is what happened when you pre-plan. So thank you so for watching. Bye.